We're going to do a little work on periodic interest rates. And most of this work is in chapter 8.1. So kind of do some examples and talk about what we had before, but our formula for all of this is going to be our periodic interest rate I is equal to our nominal interest rate, our annual rate J, compared to the number of compounding periods. So we'll go quickly into 8.1, question number 2. And that's on page 274. We say, want to determine the periodic interest rate for the nominal interest rate of 4.8% compounded, and then we got a couple options. So we have option A, this is 4.8% compounded semi-annually. We have B, which is our 4.8% compounded quarterly. And we got C, where we have our 4.8% compounded monthly. So simply what we'll do, I'll do this in green, our periodic interest rate is equal to our nominal interest rate over M. This is our 4.8% over semi-annual. This is equal to 2 times per year, so this is 2. So this would be 2.4%, which is equal to 0.024. Second one is 4.8% compounded quarterly. So same formula, I is equal to J over M. This is equal to our 4.8% over, well, quarterly is 4 times a year. So this would be over 4. So this would be 1.2%, which is equal to 0.012. And 4.8% compounded monthly, I is equal to J over M, which is basically now 4.8% over 12, because monthly is 12 times a year. So this is, well, this one I'm going to get a calculator out for, 4.8 divided by 12, it's 0.4%. So 0.4%, which is equal to 0.004 as a decimal. So we can see as we're compounding more frequently, the interest per each period goes down. So the same interest rate annually is 2.4% twice a year, 1.2% 4 times a year, 0.4% 12 times a year. As we look at that though, we're going to get 0.04% 12 times. We're going to get 1.2% only 4 times a year, and really only 2.4% 2 times a year. So this will actually end up giving us more total interest once we apply the formula, because the 12 is going to be an exponent, where here it's a divisor. Going on to question 6, so 8.1 number 6, and this is on page 275. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to say determine the nominal interest rate for the periodic rate. So here we're going to say A, 1.5% per month, and we want to calculate what the nominal rate is. Well, we had a formula that says the periodic rate is equal to the nominal rate over the number of periods. So in that case, the nominal rate is equal to the periodic interest rate times the number of compoundings per year. So our example here, we're going to say 1.5% per month. So our J is equal to 0.015, 1.5% per month, times 12 months a year. Our calculator, 0.015 times 12.18, and we can also see that we can do that with a percentage. So J is equal to 1.5% times 12. Same calculation, 1.5 times 12 is 18%. So 18% or 18%. So we can say 1.5% interest per month is equivalent to 18% annual rate compounded monthly. It's the same rate. So 18% compounded monthly is the same as 1.5% interest per month. Take a look at question B. 1.5% quarterly. So 1.5% per quarter. So not quarterly, per quarter. Okay. Same formula. J is equal to IM. So J is equal to 1.5%. Quarterly is 4 times a year. So this is equal to 6%, or 0.15 times 4 is equal to 0.06. Sorry, 0.15 times 4 is 0.06. And the last one, C, 1.5% per half year. Well, same as we had before. J is equal to 1.5%. How many half years in a year? Well, there's 2. So this is equal to 3%, or 0.015, 1.5% for 2 half years in a year is equal to 0.06.